Seniors every day for your generation.
Hi everybody, thanks so much for being with us. Our visit today takes us in Lincoln to the Ambassador. Kristy Oberg is our guest. Kristy, good to see you.
Hi, good to see you, Jack.
Kristy, you're a therapy program manager, so go into detail exactly what does this mean and how do you work with the patients?
Yes, here at the Ambassador, it's an interdisciplinary team where nursing, respiratory therapy, along with physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy all join together and meet with the patient upon admission and determine what their goals are, what their prior living environment is, and kind of where they see themselves, and then what therapy projections are and what we need to work on to get them back to that level.
Now this is post-hospital rehabilitation, right?
Yes. So this would be if they're in the hospital for an injury, trauma, a knee replacement, hip replacement, or any kind of illness, they would come to the Ambassador for rehab services and nursing services in order to get them back home safely.
Well, how do you make a plan for an individual patient? How does that work?
Yeah, so once the patient gets here, we meet with them, like I said, as a whole interdisciplinary team to determine what their goals are, where they feel like their weaknesses are, what they need to work on in order to get home safely. And then we kind of determine a plan with the patient upon that, as far as like we might need to set up a home assessment. And that would be when the therapist would go out to the patient's home and make sure that they're able to get in and out of bed, move around their home safe and freely.
So you go to the house and look around and say, oh, you got to move this, you got to do that?
Correct, yes. And then sometimes we also may offer home health care services.
Kristy, if I want more information, how do I get it?
Yes, you'd be able to contact the social worker here at the Ambassador, and they'd be able to give you a tour and give you more information about your rehab stay here at that time.
Excellent. Kristy Oberg, Therapy Program Manager at the Ambassador. I'm Jack Frost, reminding you it is not how old you are, it's how you are.
Seniors every day for your generation. Watch each Thursday for weekly discussions on happy, healthy senior living.